how are you? Welcome to Halloween makeup look part 2. So I'm gonna do another Halloween look today. And क्या आप मेरे outfit से बता सकते हो कि आज का concept क्या होएगा? Yes, no. Okay, so it's gonna be a black and white Halloween makeup. मैं आपको ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बताऊँगी because I want you to stay and watch till the end कि मैं क्या करती हूँ. But everything that I'm gonna do, eyes, face, etc. is all gonna be black and white. एंड इतना डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं होगा. इट्स गोना बी अ रियली सिंपल मेकअप लुक एंड बहुत स्कैरी भी नहीं होएगा. लाइक मैं कोई जोकर या कोई वैसे कैरेक्टर नहीं करूँगी स्कैरी सा, बट स्टिल इट विल हैव दैट हैलोवीन feel, Halloween vibes to it because we are using only black and white color. So you get the gist, right? So without any further ado, let's begin. So first I will do the eyes, and सबसे पहला step for that is applying concealer. So I'm using Calabar का Flawless Full Coverage Concealer. You know, I have this habit of smelling every makeup product before I apply them because मेरे को makeup products की smell इतनी अच्छी लगती है और इतनी satisfying लगती है. मैं बैठ के उसको सूंघती रहती हूँ. Oh, by the way, I don't show it in my videos, but मेकअप स्टार्ट करने से पहले ऑब्वियसली आई ऑलवेज वॉश माई फेस एंड अप्लाई अ लॉट ऑफ मॉइस्चराइजर बिकॉज आई हैव ड्राई स्किन एंड आईब्रोज आपको पता ही है मैं करके बैठती हूँ. सो दीज 3 steps कम ऑलवेज बिफोर आई स्टार्ट डूइंग माई मेकअप. So first I'm gonna take my I Want It All palette and I will be applying this shade 1942. And I will be applying it all over my eyes, especially right under the brow bone as a transition area. Next I'm gonna take the same palette and I'm gonna use this color black one Midnight, and मैं बहुत थोड़ा सा लूँगी because इसका pigment बहुत ज़्यादा है, and I will apply it on the inner corners of my eye. Now I'm gonna take this pigment by Fenty Beauty. It's in the shade Cleopatra and I will apply it only in the center of my eyelids. So I'm gonna take a flat brush for it and start applying it. And I will blend it with the black color. And again on the outer corners of the eye, I will apply the same black color. Okay, so I'm not gonna apply eyeliner because ज़रूरत है नहीं. So I'm directly moving to the mascara, and the mascara I'm using is Calabar's Lash Illusion Mascara Duo. And now I'm gonna apply the eyelashes, and I'm using PAC's Tapered Lash, and these are so pretty. I'm so excited to apply them. I'll be using them for the first time today. Wow, they are like so natural and yet so dramatic. Amazing. And now we move on to the face, and the first step is to apply primer. So I'm using Calabar's Flawless Finish Primer. Just apply a few drops of primer all over your face and अच्छे से blend it. And now we will apply the foundation, and I'm again using Calabar's 24 Hours Weightless Liquid Foundation. Now I will apply the concealer, and again I'm going in with Colourbar's Flawless Full Coverage Concealer. एंड आई एम गोना यूज दिस ब्लेंडर बिकॉज यहाँ पे जो मैंने एंगल क्रिएट करा है मैं उसको और डिफाइन कर दूँ. I'm gonna apply this kajal on my lower waterline. This is in a whitish nude shade. And I'm gonna use the same mascara जो पहले use करा था on my lower lashes. Now I will go back to this palette and back to the same black color and apply it on my lower area of the eye. Lower, what is it called? Lower eyes. So the eyes are finally done, and now we move on to the main part of today's makeup look, which is the face. And uske liye bhi I am using the same palette and I'm gonna use the same black color. Now I'm gonna take thoda bada brush and I will apply this black shade on my face, like mainly on the cheek area, nose and little bit on the forehead, but I have to make sure कि मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना, बस हल्का सा ब्लैक होना चाहिए बिकॉज लाइक आई सेड बिफोर इसका पिगमेंट बहुत ज़्यादा है तो मेरे को थोड़ा सा लगाना है. आई एम स्कैर्ड. मुझे इंस्टेंट रिग्रेट हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. इंस्टेंट रिग्रेट. I know it looks weird, but let's see what happens next. So I'm gonna take this pigment by NYX. It's what is this? It's basically a white pigment, gel pigment, and isko leke I'm gonna draw a few clouds on my face. Yes, clouds. So let's see how it goes. So for that I'm gonna take a flat brush and isko मैं थोड़ा सा pigment में dip करूँगी and I will start making the clouds now. Now I'm gonna take the same black color and apply it right in between the clouds just to give them a little depth. So the face is also done, and now we move on to the last step for today's look, which is the lips. First I'm gonna apply this black lipstick. This is my first black lipstick, just by the way. So this is Pro Supreme Matte Lip Pigment in the color Bad Vibes. Perfect name. बीच में I've left a little gap because बीच में again I'm gonna go in with my NYX pigment and थोड़ा सा मैं फिंगर से ऐसे डैब करके थोड़ा सा वाइट का शेड देना चाहती हूँ. So I'm gonna do that now. And this is it. This is the final Halloween makeup look part 2. I really hope that you like this look. मुझे personally ये look अच्छा है, but you know I feel कि it could have been much better. Like face makeup पे जो clouds and everything है, so I had a better picture in my mind. I could have done a little better, but it's okay. Maybe next time when I have practiced more on this, तो next time better हो जाएगा. No issues with that. Overall, I absolutely love this look. It's come out to be really nice. So let me know what are your views on this look. Comment करके मेरे को बता देना कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसी लगी, आपको ये लुक कैसा लगा. एंड कमेंट करके मेरे को सजेशंस भी दे देना, और कि अगर आपके पास कोई और सजेशन है मेरी अपकमिंग वीडियोस के लिए, कमेंट, DM, email, कुछ भी कर देना, whatever you feel comfortable with. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this, if you had fun watching this, and if you saw something new and different in my today's video, because this is a different concept that I did for the first time. तो मेरे को बता देना, शेयर करना अपने फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ, उनको थोड़ा सा क्रिएटिविटी दिखाना मेरी. एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर देना अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं करा है तो. एंड या दैट इज़ प्रीटी मच ऑल फॉर टुडे, एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली सी यू ऑल इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो विद अनदर Halloween look. So stay tuned. I will see you very soon. Bye.